Thank you for your interest in the Weldon Cooper Center, where since 1931, our organization has served communities across the Commonwealth through research and leadership development. Over the past 2 years, our teams across the Cooper Center have worked diligently to reimagine public service based on the changing nature of governance we are facing, not only here in Virginia, but across the United States. We're happy to announce that the following strategic plan aims to address what we have learned in part from listening to partners like you, and how we hope to engage with communities across the Commonwealth over the next 5 years through our work. The heart of our plan lies in our core values of access, collaboration, communities, and impact, and not only provides the compass for the work that we take on, but also allows us to connect with others in public service who view their roles similarly. The plan also includes 4 goals, which we'll take a few minutes to highlight with examples from members of our Weldon Cooper Center team.
The Cooper Center's Demographic Research Group produces population projections for all 50 states and the District of Columbia. Population projections are widely used for various planning purposes. For example, CDC used projections in predicting future cancer cases. The National Park Service used projections to predict the volume of future park visitors and the needed service. In addition to the federal agencies, many state governments, businesses, and nonprofits also rely on our population projections for their planning, budgeting purposes.
Through our work with the Solar Smart program, we deliver state-of-the-art, research-based technical resources, policy guidance, and training to help Virginia localities become solar ready and to advance solar energy across the state. By equipping localities with unbiased and research-based best practices and guidelines, we give communities the practical tools they need to confidently adopt solar-related policies and processes.
The Louisa County Resource Council partnered with us to conduct a survey to measure the prevalence of food insecurity in their area. Our survey found that approximately 1 in 5 households were experiencing food insecurity. Additionally, our survey found that need was being disproportionately met, meaning there were parts of the county in which there were high concentrations of households experiencing food insecurity, yet these same residents were accessing food pantry services at a much lower rate. Based on these survey findings, the food pantry set up new satellite distribution centers so that more community members can readily access the food assistance they need.
The Sorensen Institute's 22nd Century Scholars Program provided a virtual internship for students to learn how federal, state, and local leaders respond to crises. Students interacted with the former governor, chiefs of staff, legislators, U.S. attorney, and cabinet secretaries. Working together, students define best practices and effective leadership principles to help guide future political leaders through crises.
On the media team, we collaborate with units to create videos, podcasts, newsletters, and other digital media content. Media is an innovative way to convey information, connect communities, and engage people in various forms of public service. On top of the content we create, the media team hires UVA students to intern and work for us. Employing university students brings in fresh perspectives and ideas, as well as provides a hands-on learning experience to help prepare them for future careers. This way, the media team will continue to grow and develop, while also creating opportunities for UVA students.
Thank you for taking the time to learn more about our strategic plan and the Weldon Cooper Center for Public Service. Whether you've worked with us in the past or are interested in doing so in the future, we look forward to being your partner in reimagining public service.
We want our work to matter.
We want our work to matter.
We want our work to matter.